true that the real estate market isn't in the best shape right now, a successful real estate agent can still earn a handsome income buying and selling property. True, certain real estate markets are in a slump right now, but prime land and properties are always in demand. A successful real estate should always be passionate about what they are doing. It is the passion that they have about their work that should draw you to them as a result of sensing the excitement you feel about what the agent is privileged to do every day. Today, in this video, we are sharing 8 tips to become a successful real estate agent. Number 1, understand the market dynamics. Unlike any other business, to prosper in this field, it's essential to understand the dynamics of the market. Business in this sector depends on the economy, government's policies, interest rates, and demographics. A slight change in the above factors can have huge impact on the sector. Therefore, before venturing in the segment, it's imperative to understand the market well. Prosperous agents know the current trends in the market and formulate their own policies accordingly. The sector is a volatile one where profits keep on changing from time to time. Number 2, utilizes technology. Technology has touched its peak in almost all fields. It has become important to be up to date with technology. Similar technology is very useful for real estate agents. There are many applications, websites, and social media platforms that you can utilize to your advantage. Number 3, pay attention. When the real estate market is slow, as it is right now, many outstanding properties sit on the market because people are afraid to buy. Take a look around and see which properties may have been on the market for a long time. Usually the seller is tired of waiting and will be more open to any reasonable offer. Being a successful real estate agent means seeing opportunities where others don't, but you can't find these properties if you're not out looking for them. Number 4, working with a real estate broker. Working with a competent real estate broker is pretty important before venturing in the sector. The brokers are aware about the practical details of the segment, and aiding them initially clears many doubts. Working with brokers prepares one to better handle deals and negotiations. Before choosing a broker, one must check its reputation and credentials in the market. One can check a broker's credentials online or through references. Number 5, obtain a real estate license. The most important part of being a real estate agent is first obtaining a real estate license. This can be done in a number of ways. Many individuals will go to a school in which they can earn their credits and take the test. These are most often held in the evenings to at night, so that working adults can take the course as well. If you cannot make classes, there are also online courses. In order to qualify to obtain your license, you must have gotten a high school degree. There are many computer programs and guides that are helpful when preparing for the real estate license test. In few countries, it is possible to start working without any educational degree, but the success rate is not guaranteed. Most professionals are required to work as apprentices with listed real estate companies. Number 6, become a reliable person. A successful real estate agent is a reliable person with integrity. Clients trust him and rely on him for accurate market information, professionalism, and for taking their interests at heart. You only need to be unreliable once to lose the client forever. All the goodwill and trust can be dissipated by one act of carelessness. Real estate is an unpredictable business, and you do not want to miss a sale or closing of a home because you are not available when someone showed interest on a property. Some agents prefer to work within a team of agents. This way, if the agent is not immediately available to respond an inquiry, another agent, part of the team, can take care of the interested party. Great agents are comfortable with constant communications and prompt replies to any inquiry. They are willing to communicate with phone, text, email, and even after hours. Number 7, know everything in your location. A successful real estate agent knows not just the city, but the small little areas within the city. Some areas are funky little enclaves of hipsters and street fairs, while others are classy, sophisticated, older sections of town. A good agent will be able to match you to the right neighborhood. You'll know, they know your part of town when they have a good track record selling there, and they've sold homes there recently. And number 8, they develop a plan. Now you know what you need to make to survive and what is the high point of success. Most agents fail in the first 2 years. It's mostly because they have no clue what to do. They do a few deals for family, but have no idea what to do next. If you get hung up on this step, a great book is Millionaire Real Estate Agent by Gary Keller. Otherwise, come up with a plan that once you have a license, you can execute. What happens after you get a license? Contact family? Who else? How will you get new clients? Door knocking? These are all questions you should answer. Remember, every single real estate agent determines their own destiny. If after reading this article you still want to pursue a career in real estate, then you may very well have what it takes to be successful, because the first lesson you'll learn in this business is how to deal with discouragement. Everything else is nothing but rewarding in every sense. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get future videos.